Hi guys, so I know that I posted my whipped coffee on my page, so I want to show you how to make it. So I have all of my ingredients here that I use for my whipped coffee. So I have my, of course, my roasted coffee from Folgers, instant coffee, my oat milk, vanilla flavored, my whipped cream, Hershey syrup, a little bit of extract, this is cake batter flavor, ground cinnamon, sugar, of course my ice in a jar, my frother, and as well as some hot water. So you're gonna start off by putting 2 tablespoons of instant coffee into your bowl, a deep bowl or cup, as well as 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, and then you're gonna also do 2 tablespoons of water. I like to use hot water simply because it lets it dissolves the water faster. And then typically you just mix that and that's all. That's how you make whipped coffee, but I like to add a little flavor. So I like to use a little bit of extract. So I have cake batter here. I've used almond extract and it was really good. So I did like a cap full of that. You don't want to do too much. And I use my frother. You can use your whisk, but you're gonna be whisking all day, or you can use a hand mixer, but I like to use my frother because it's just super simple. And I just froth it like that. And so I do this for a few minutes. As you see, it's becoming really foamy. The longer you whisk or mix, the thicker it gets. Sometimes I'm lazy and I don't want to, mix for 5, 10, 20 minutes. So I just get it to how I like it. But of course, the longer, the thicker. So I'm just gonna froth this. Thicker if I keep whisking or frothing it, but because I like this consistency, because it's easier for me to mix into my my milk, I like to keep it this consistency like this. It's not too thick, but it's not too foamy either. Foamy is good for me too. It's easier to mix. So I'm gonna taste it. Ooh, it's strong. It's so strong. So then I get my cup with ice in it, my vanilla milk, my vanilla oat milk. I'm just gonna fill it up just a little bit, not all the way. And then you can, if you want, add a little bit of caramel inside of your jar. I should have done this first. There's a little bit of caramel. And then I do a layer of whipped cream. And then I pour in my whipped coffee mix that I have created. Let it go down some. Let it get all up in the milk and whipped cream mixture. Mix that in just a little bit. Then I do some more. So good. And then I add a little bit of more whipped cream. I like the sweetness because instant coffee can be really strong, guys. And then I do just a dash of cinnamon because I'm extra. And I want it to look pretty. And there we are. My version of the whipped coffee. It is so good, guys. And I'll just probably mix this in some more. The coffee can get all in there, but super easy, super delicious. So good. So cheers. Let me know if you make it, and if so, let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.